10 Quotes about Forest. A forest shares a history which each tree remembers even after it has been felled. A forest is a living thing like a human body, each part dependent on all the other parts. And into the forest I go, to lose my mind and find my soul. A tree is our most intimate contact with nature. A nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. Forests are the lungs of our land, purifying the air and giving fresh strength to our people. Endangered forests are being slaughtered for toilet paper. Every forest branch moves differently in the breeze, but as they sway they connect at the roots. For in the true nature of things, if we rightly consider, every green tree is far more glorious than if it were made of gold and silver. Going to the woods is going home, for I suppose we came from the woods originally. He who plants a tree, plants a hope.